Hello everybody and welcome to this week's First Impression Fridays on Diamonds and Denim. So this week is the May Ipsy Glam bag. Yes, it's the theme is go there. These are like little passport stamps. And what we have in there this week, so they have the Pure Heals by Nature Village, Centella 65 Green Tea Pack and Calming. It's a pretty good size for a sample. We have the Style Sepia Touch in Soul Fresh Garden Gel Liner with Diamond. We have the Trace Stick Mini Matte Blur Stick. It is a blurring primer and shine eraser, supposedly. The Vin Effect Micro Exfoliator and a beautiful eyeshadow brush from SL Miss Glam in number N15. So it was a bunch of travel themed products, like things you could take when you go to your on vacay or whatever, when you go on your weekend trips. So if you want to see what I thought about this bag, you can read the blog below, click the link and read the blog below, or you can just keep on watching. The first thing I want to try is the Vin Effect Micro Exfoliant. And let's see, it says this ultra fine exfoliant with grape seeds, soy, and pomegranate and willow bark gently removes dead skin cells, help keep skin clear and radiant, and hydrates and improves skin tone. The directions are massage into damp skin, avoiding under eye area, rinse with warm water, use 2 to 3 times a week. Oh, it smells pretty good. It smells kind of chemically though, to see they have so many natural ingredients in it. This is what it looks like. See a little dab on my finger there? Accident's waiting to happen. Okay. Ooh, it feels good, but honestly, it does feel a little chemically, almost like a chemical peel. This is the bottle. Focus, new phone, focus. There we go. I guess that's it. I guess you don't have to leave it on. I think the act of actually scrubbing it like this is what actually does it. I don't think it's the actual product like sitting on the skin or anything that's supposed to do anything. So I'm just gonna scrub it a little bit more. And I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off. I will be right back. You can see my face is a little redder than it was a little while ago, like my nose especially is really red. I mean, as far as, you know, gently removing dead skin, I don't know how gently it removed it. Like all the dead, dull parts are gone, but I feel like it does still feel dry in some spots, especially like around my nose. So that's the Vin Effect Micro Exfoliator. So I'm going to go and moisturize my face, because it definitely needs it now. I am back. I have my brows done. I did my hair. I moisturized my skin because, y'all, after that Vin Effect, my skin needed to be moisturized so bad. Like, I was unpleasantly surprised at how much it actually dried my skin out by the time I got into the bathroom. Our next thing that I want to go over is this beautiful, it's so pretty, y'all. Look at it. It is an SL Miss Glam, which they tend to like to give SL Miss Glam brushes. Eyeshadow brush. Yeah, this one is really pretty though. So this one is, it has a navy handle and it's got blue and purple bristles. So when I first looked at it, I thought it was gonna be more like my Beau Gachet brush, but it's a little bit fluffier than that. So maybe, I don't know how it's gonna work with the look I was planning to do it with. These flatter brushes, I usually like to use when I need to pack something on like a glitter, usually something on the lid. So if you look at my eyes right now, I did my crease color, my transition color, and another kind of darker crease color in the V. I'm gonna go back over it again later, but that's what I did right here. I'm using the Morphe Bronze Mocha palette. I'm gonna try to use this one to pack some glitter on my lid. I'm gonna go with this brush to this rose goldy pinky color. Okay. Picked up a good bit of eyeshadow. Let's pat it on. Okay, yeah, I was right. It's a little loose, but it would be really, really good for a matte lid. Oh, I mean, it looks good, but you can attribute that to Morphe too. Morphe's kind of the bomb with pigment, so yeah. Okay, we got it. Okay, SL Miss Glam. And you see I'm not dragging it and buffing it and everything. I'm just packing it straight on my lid, straight on it. Like I said before, SL Miss Glam always does a pretty good job, so I like it. This is a good brush. This is a good brush. Thanks, Ipsy. Yeah, we have a Style Sepia Fresh Garden Gel Liner with Diamond. Okay. Doesn't say if it's for the eyes or the lips. Although on the, oh, I like this. So this is it. It looks like a green. It's very smooth, very pretty. I like it. I like this liner, y'all. That might be my new brown liner. Sepia Touch and Soul Fresh Garden Gel Liner with Diamond. I am not a brown liner girl. Let me tell you, I'm not any other color liner but black. But this is really good. I like it. This is going to be something I think I gravitate towards this summer. You don't want to be super heavy-handed with your eye makeup in the summer. Like, where are you going? Anyway, so this is the liner. The next thing I have to try out is the Stick, which is another brand they use a lot. Mini Matte Blur Stick, Blurring Primer and Shine Eraser. Oh, so I'm assuming I can just put it on my skin like a primer. I've never used a primer stick, so this is what it looks like when you take the top off. Stick, it's white, it's got this little thing on the top. I've never used a stick primer before, so I don't... Oh, okay, I just put it on my hand. It's soft, I guess. So I guess I just put it all over my face, I guess. So weird. I've never had anything like this before. Like, I don't know what to do with it. So making me so uncomfortable. I feel like I'm doing it wrong, but there was really no instructions. Just put it all over your face. I'm just gonna use this to push in a little more because I just feel like I said, like it's not getting all over. So I'm gonna use this toothbrush just to kind of push it in a little more and get it all over my skin. Y'all, I will say this, it feels good. Makes your skin feel so soft. But I will say this, my nose sure does still look shiny. And they also say you can apply it on over your makeup as well. Like, I guess if you're having or it's 3 million degrees like it is here. You know what it feels like? It feels like the Smashbox eye primer, actually. That's what it feels like. So as I said before, it made my skin feel really smooth. I do feel like my application is gonna be easy with this. Oh, also I have one more. It is a green tea mask. That's gonna be the last product, but I actually shot that a while back, so I'm just gonna attach it to the end of this video and then I'll do the recap after that. So I'll be right back. So one of the things they had in there was a spot treatment mask, and this one they had Pure Heals by Nature Village Scintilla 65 green tea pack. It's a calming pack. So this is what it looks like. Let me read what it says here. This is a little thing. It came in like a little cup, almost looks like a little K-cup. I'm kind of excited about that. Green tea is known to be calming, to calm your red spots and all that, so I'm excited to try this one out. Let me lift the little thing. So I have to just apply it to the face for 10 minutes. Oh, you could smell the tea. Like, it smells like green tea. See, it's like a clay mask. You peel the little top off, and then this is underneath it. So let's go ahead and apply it. I always apply masks this way to my T-zone first. My skin is clean. I just washed my face like 2 minutes ago. Glam Glow Dual Cleanse. So that's my cleanser. Now I'm gonna put this mask on my face. That's a good size for a sample too, by the way, Ipsy. Good looking out with that. Like, if I knew how to save it, I could have probably kept it for two applications. But so I'm going to wait the 10 minutes as suggested by the directions, and then I will come back, we'll wash it off, and we'll talk about the results, okay? It's really good. It's like super moist. It's way more moisturizing than I thought it was gonna be. If you have like hyperactive skin that's always like burning and itching and stuff, I feel like this would help you out a lot. It's not a clay mask, so it didn't get hard. It was just like a really cool, calming lotion. You can smell the green tea in it. You can see the green tea in it when I rinsed it out. When I looked in the sink, you can see all the little leaves. To save for $10 a month, they gave this size sample. I mean, y'all saw how hard it was for me to use the whole sample on my face, and they gave 2 of them. So shout out to Pure Heals and Ipsy. Like, it made my skin feel so much cooler. It's so much more moisturized. I'm not even gonna do my nighttime moisturizer because I like it. It's so soft right now. It's insane. So, okay, y'all. So I am back with the wrap up of this Ipsy Glam bag. I like this liner so much that I want to go back and put it actually on the bottom on my bottom lash line because I love it so much, and you can't really see it anymore now that I have them big huge lashes on. So I did a little eyeshadow to smudge a little bit, but I want to go back and just line real quick with that because it's such a pretty color. Hair's done, the rest of my makeup is done. I want to go back over each one of our May Ipsy Glam bag items, including the glam bag itself, which is our little map, not map, it's the little stamps, like passport stamps kind of, because the theme of the bag was go there. So talking about vacations and things that you would use to travel. The last thing we went over, the Pure Hills Centella 65 green tea pack, which was calming. Again, the sample size is amazing, like enough for probably 2 or 3 applications. I like the smell of it. I like the feel of it. It was super cooling, super relaxing. This one is, I love this product. I'm obsessed with it. We already talked about this. The Touch in Soul Style Sepia Fresh Garden Gel Liner with Diamond. Especially for the under, especially for the bottom lash line. I think this is something I'm going to go to over and over again this summer. It's SL Miss Glam eyeshadow brush. You can see how good it did with that glittery Morphe color. I mean, it's SL Miss Glam has never let me down before. This is no exception. Now let's get to the not so good products. The VinEffect Micro Exfoliant. It did scrape off the dead skin cells, but I would suggest you use it if you have oily skin because it dried my skin out pretty bad, and I'm still seeing it as I'm applying the rest of my makeup. I saw it over and over again how many issues it gave me. I mean, it was supposed to scrape off the dead skin cells. I think it just scraped off like most of my skin cells. My face was pretty red after using it. I actually used the Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme Skin Resurfacer. It reminds me of that, actually. It might actually be a little bit more drying, but it's a serious business product. I surely wouldn't use it more than once a week if you do decide to use it. Trace Steak just freaking keeps missing with me, and I'm getting tired of them. Ipsy, you know what? You don't need to send me any more Trace Steak. They have given me 3 products, and each one of them I did not like. This primer messed my look up so bad. I put it on. I said it felt pretty soft. It felt pretty good. It made my skin really soft, but my foundation did not sit well with this. It sat on top of it, almost like it was a barrier of it getting into my skin. Now, I'm not gonna lie. I used a more inexpensive foundation today. I actually used one I got free from Ulta because I'm not really going anywhere. I'm just gonna get something to eat. But I've used it before. So this stuff, I'm telling y'all, I've used that foundation multiple times and I had not had the same issues with it. Another thing about it, because the foundation sat on top, it had the opposite effect of mattifying like it was supposed to do. What it did instead was it made my face extra shiny because the foundation never got to soak in. So it just sat on top like water. This thing, not only do I not like it, I hate it. I don't think I've ever said that on a, I don't think I've ever said that since I got this channel or this blog. I hate this primer. This mattifying mini matte blur stick, blurring primer and shine eraser, lived up to none of its promises, and actually, like I said before, messed up the rest of my products that do what they're supposed to do. If it wasn't, whoop, I'm not even mad. I hope I broke the damn thing because I don't really like the bag either. The bag is not nearly as cute as the butterfly bag from last month, so from April. So the May Ipsy bag, the bag as a whole, no bueno. So unfortunately, Ipsy, for your May Glam bag, I can't give you a diamond. I'm really sorry. But May Ipsy Glam bag, remember, if you do want to subscribe, this might not be the month to do it because I cannot vouch for this bag this time. But if you do want to subscribe, if you look in the blog, you will see the little link where you can go ahead and sign in. Don't let this one make you judge all of Ipsy. They have some great hits, and like I said, that liner's the bomb. So don't let that crap change your opinion on Ipsy. It's not gonna change mine. This was just a bad month. It's just a bad month. Maybe they were in a rush to get out of school. I don't know. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week on Diamonds and Denim First Impression Fridays. Thanks again. Bye.